Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, doing another video today. In today's video, yes, I have some cases from Poetic for my Moto G6. But before I get into that review, check this out. Okay everyone, so yes, in this video I have 3 cases to review for my Moto G6. Shout out to Poetic for actually sending these cases to me for a review. They sent me out 3 different ones. I love the packaging, look, with love from San Francisco. But this is a Karbon Shield one in black for the Moto G6. Then we have the Guardian for the Moto G6 in black. And then the last one is the Revolution case. Bam, there you go. I'm going to actually go ahead and start with the Karbon Shield. You can pick up these 3 cases from Amazon. I will have the link in the description so that way you can check them out before you buy them. Okay, so the Karbon Shield is $9.95 on Amazon. Like I said, I'll have the link in the description. Love the packaging from Poetic. But let's check this out and see what you get in here. Bam, here's the case. Look at that. Love the feel. It gives you extra protection, extra grip for your case. Little Poetic branding there. Look at the inside. Poetic. Love from San Francisco. Love the pattern in there. But let's check out the case. Nothing on this side. Look at the cutouts at the bottom for the USB Type-C and the headphone jack. Then you have your volume rockers and your power button. You also have your microphone cutout at the back and microphone at the top. Now this is TPU. So it'll give you that protection. I won't drop the phone from too high, but it definitely protects you from scratches. Look at that. So you do get some lip action, not much. Let's check the camera hump. Yes, look at that. So you put on the, if you put your phone down, you won't have to worry about scratching up your lens. Let's check out the cutouts. They all line up beautiful. Even the back, look at that. Look at that branding. Look at the carbon fiber type of material. The top, the cutouts there too. Let's check the power button. Definitely works. Volume rockers work. Make sure they work. Look, they work. Definitely work. So yes, this is the Karbon Shield one from Poetic. If you want to pick it up, I will have the link in the description. So let's move on to the next case. The next one we're going to look at is the Guardian. Let's not get trolled by the packaging. Man, they make sure you can't get in there. Ooh, that's a nice looking case too. So it says love from San Francisco. Happy. Again, follow them on their social media. If you're happy, bam, there you go. It says thank you. Alright, so I was able to get the plastic off and the case apart. This is the Guardian edition. Look, it does come with a temper. It comes with a screen protector included. Now, some people actually take this off. If you want to, you can. I'm going to try it with it on there. But here's the case itself. So you have your volume rockers on here, the power button. You have some branding on the back. Bam. You have your cutouts for the microphone, cutout for the microphone at the top. Nothing on this side. Now, the rule is you want to put your phone. I probably won't snap this all the way in place because, you know, it's almost, let's see. Now, once you get that all around, look, you have enough cutout for your glass, for your screen protector to get to the Motorola sign and your fingerprint scanner. Look, everything lines up. This is definitely gives you protection. Look at the camera hump. Now, I don't have it all the way down. It definitely gives you screen because you have the little screen protector on there. The question is, does it work? Look at that. It does. You can swipe up. Now, if you decide to keep that on there, that's up to you. But this definitely will give you the protection you're looking for. Look at the corners on this thing. Again, I don't have it all the way installed. That's just the purpose of this video. But yeah, this one's definitely fitting nice. Now let's go to the Revolution case. Bam, there you go. Let's see if this packaging actually helps me out some. I'm going to just cut into it. So let's see what you get in this case, in this package. So you get the same book. We won't spend too much time on that. Now look at this case here. This one has instructions on it. Bam, it tells you how to install it. I mean, I think we all pros around here. So look at this case. Now this plastic likes to troll people. So this one comes with the screen protector already installed too. Let me try to get this apart. Alright, so you get it apart. It has the included screen protector on there. Again, if you want to punch them out, you can. Some people do, some people don't. Look at the cutouts for the sensors at the top, and then then you cut out for your fingerprint scanner. So let me take this one off. Alright, so you have your phone, you have your case. Let's go over the case really quick. So nothing on this side, but it gives you that extra grip again. I love the corners on this case. The bottom cutouts are there. Then on this side you have your volume rockers, your power button, the camera. Look at the Poetic branding there. You have it here too. Now in this case, you drop it, you're getting that protection that you're looking for. So this is overall a nice case. Man, look at that. So let's see how this fits. Again, you want to put the phone upside down, make sure everything lines up. Now for the purpose of the video, like I said, I'm not going to install it all the way in there, but you can tell, look at that, everything lines up. You have enough room for the, if you keep the screen protector on, you have enough room for your fingerprint scanner at the bottom. Alright, so the volume rockers definitely work. Man, look at it, the sensors all line up at the top. Look at the cutout at the top. The cutouts at the bottom definitely line up. Again, it comes with these tabs. Some people cut these tabs off. Some people don't. I usually try to leave them on. Especially if you work in a dusty environment. You want to keep them on there. They all line up great. Power button looks great. Look, even the back microphone looks up. Camera hump. Again, you have the protection for the camera hump. And then the front, you know, works because you have the screen protector. Even without the screen protector on there, you will have a lot of protection. Okay, so if you want to pick up the Revolution case from Amazon, I will have the link in the description. Don't forget about the Karbon Shield one or the Guardian case from Poetic. So 3 great cases from Poetic that you can pick up from Amazon. I will have all 3 links in the description below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Moto G6. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.